Your sneeze leaves your nose at 100 miles per hour. It's the fastest thing your body can do. Faster than you can run, faster than you can throw, passes faster than your fastest punch. And it happens in a fraction of a second. Over 40 muscles fire at once. Your eyes slam shut. Your chest contracts. The droplets it produces can travel 26 feet across a room. A single sneeze fills the air for minutes. All of that triggered by a microscopic speck of dust touching the inside of your nose. The most violent thing your body does in a normal day. And you barely notice it happened.